Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Thursday, March 14th of 2019. Couple morning announcements for today for our March birthdays. We have a birthday today, so we have Ricardo Soto. So happy birthday to that. Hopefully you have a great day, Ricardo. So hopefully you have everything that you need to do for today for your birthday. For lunch choices, we have French toast sticks with sausage, cheeseburger, or ham and cheese sandwich. And boys and girls, I'm going to show another video that another school did, not in this district, but I thought would be kind of cool to watch about playground expectations. This would be a neat idea maybe if we want to do something like this for our playground, and if you are interested in maybe making a video like this, then come see me at some point in time and I'll put your name down and maybe we can get something made in the spring for our own playground expectation video. But let's watch this one and get some ideas because they have some very good expectations here of what you should be acting like on the playground.
The playground bandits ruined things for everyone. Until some superheroes came along. This school year, one school of kids gets super on the playground, on swings, playing it safe, slides, moving in the right direction, monkey-ball, making no sense. Wow, so cool. Playground expectations.
Come on, guys, let's take over the playground! What's that up in the sky? It's a bird. It's a plane. It's Super Spud. And my Super Hopkins sidekicks. Oh no. Good job, sidekicks. Now let's show these kids what Spud Pride looks like.
This is what being prepared looks like on the playground.
Dress appropriately in the winter.
Release your energy!
Line up and stay with your class. Level 0 voice when going back inside.
What does respect look like on the playground?
Use appropriate language that your parents would want to hear. Take care of equipment. Include others in your games. Come on, guys.
Listen to the directions of adults when they ask you to do something. Come on, guys. Say please and thank you, even on the playground. Show good sportsmanship. Hey, you make the next one.
What does integrity look like on the playground?
Wait for your turn. Share with others. Help others.
Play in appropriate areas.
Report bullying.
Okay, guys, what does determination look like on the playground?
Be active every day.
And try new games, but more than that, play safe.
So far, so good. What does excellence look like on the playground?
Report major incidents to an adult.
Bring in what you take out. Clean up after yourself.
And be kind.
Well, it looks like my job is done here. Are you ready to show your Spud Pride? Have a great school year.
So boys and girls, some very good things in that video about playground expectations that apply here at Perry too. So if there's anybody who would like to help make a video for like that after our playground kind of dries out a little bit, be more than happy to kind of see what we can kind of put together. So if we had a couple first graders, second graders, third graders, and fifth graders, that would be awesome. We can make our own little video like this to watch. At this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance. Okay, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance. So please make sure you're standing. Have your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you guys. Appreciate that. And everyone have a great day today. Make some great choices. And let's see how many great things that we can do today to help out our friends on the playground or during recess today.